Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by putting the L3156 into the right state. Power it on and wait for the ready indicator, then connect your phone or laptop to your home network so you can follow along. Make sure you know the SSID and password. The printer only uses 4 GHz most of the time, so check your router settings. Once done, open the Epson Smart Panel or Epson Connect installer on your device, so you can start the wireless setup wizard without delays. You now run the wireless setup wizard on the Epson app or installer. Choose network or Wi-Fi setup and pick your router mode unless you need Wi-Fi direct. Enter the SSID and password exactly, capitalization and special characters matter, then confirm. If your router supports WPS and you prefer that, press and hold the printer's WPS or network button when prompted and hit WPS on the router. This automates pairing. After connection, the software will detect the printer and install drivers or finish by printing a network status or test page so you can confirm the L3156 has an IP address and is reachable from your devices. Then add the printer to Windows, Mac OS, or your phone using the discovered network name. Install any remaining drivers if requested. If something goes wrong, restart the router and printer, confirm the routers too. 4 GHz band is active, and retry the wizard. Intermittent interference or a wrong password are the most common causes and are easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.